Hi there, you made it to the Coffee Buzz Club channel. In this video, we will talk about the best Arabica coffee for 2021. So, what is Arabica coffee? Coffee or Arabica coffee beans originate in Ethiopia, and Arabica coffee is derived from them. The Arabica variety is the most popular coffee in the world, accounting for more than 60% of cups consumed. How are the Arabica beans grown? Arabica plants are massive shrubs with oval, dark green leaves. The coffee cherries usually contain two flat seeds, known as coffee beans. However, they can sometimes only develop one bean called a pea berry. Plants of coffee Arabica prefer places in light to semi-shady climates in areas with a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees. The leaves must be shielded from direct sunlight, especially around noon, since it may burn them. In the winter, it can be a bit cooler. High humidity is also necessary for the coffee plant to thrive. First on the list is the Death Wish coffee, the world's strongest whole bean coffee. This coffee, although it's not 100% Arabica beans, most of it is. Only the best and premium Arabica and Robusta beans are chosen for each pack. Brewing Death Wish coffee will produce a smooth, subtle but never bitter cherry and chocolate-flavored cup of joe. And although dark roast primarily makes strong coffees, you'll be awfully pleased with this one. Second is the Caf Don Pablo Subtle Earth Organic Coffee 100% Arabica. These coffee beans are widely recognized for their velvety smooth taste, one that you might remember for the rest of your day. Each pack ensures a pack full of aromatic and delicious coffee beans. If you are looking for a versatile coffee that can be used in a drip machine, a K-cup machine, or perhaps even an espresso machine, this is the right one for you. As far as taste goes, this brand will brew a rich and chocolate-flavored cup with an intense depth flavor and low acidity. Next up is Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee Medium Roast. Blue Mountain Coffee has kept its reputation as being the best-rated high-quality coffee in the world. Each batch of these premium beans is roasted in small batches to ensure its freshness when it arrives on your doorstep. It is a 100% Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee that is certified by the Coffee Industry Board. The brand roasts it to make the distinctive characteristics of the coffee more apparent. Blue Mountain Coffee is not just high quality but also directly traded from a collection of small farmers. Those who want to try and surprise themselves with the best tasting coffee ever should try this. Then we have the Coffee Cult Fresh Gourmet Aromatic Artisan Coffee Blend Dark Roasted. Coffee Cult's coffee beans are a blend of Colombia, Sumatra, and Guatemala beans. Although it's not from a single origin, these beans are rich, organic, smooth, and full-bodied. Coffee Cult attained an excellent tasting coffee that's not bitter. You'll get a fine-smelling aroma when brewing this coffee. Even when it's grounded, it emits that exquisite coffee aroma that just tickles your nose. Brewing a cup of this has cinnamon, smooth, and heavy body cupping notes. It starts as a bright aromatic drink and ends in a long finish. Followed with Kona Coffee 100% Kona Natural. Kona Coffee naturally processes its coffee beans. Under this process, coffee beans in their cherry shells are dried outdoors, in the sun. Through this process, coffees get enriched by the natural sugars and nutrients provided by their fruit. This results in a taste that is smooth and delicate, with strong fruit notes and aromas. If you're the kind of person who wants to try premium-grade Kona coffee, then Kona Coffee just might be the right choice for you. Last but not the least, the Spiller & Tate Pure Colombian Wheeler. You might have not heard of this coffee brand, but Spiller & Tate has been climbing the ladders to coffee excellence. This pure Colombian coffee is grown in the Wheeler region in the southeast of Colombia. Spiller & Tate's Arabica beans are grown in ideal conditions and are free from high acidity and bitterness commonly associated with Colombian coffee. There is a deft harmony between the taste and aroma of these beans. They are full in body, medium sweet, and subtle. Frequently asked questions. What's the least bitter coffee? Despite being less bitter than Robusta beans, Arabica beans tend to be more expensive. The Arabica bean does, however, provide for coffee that has a sweeter taste with less bitterness. Try beans from the Kona region, Brazil, or Costa Rica to make a cup of coffee with a less bitter flavor. What is the best cheap coffee? Verena Street Mississippi Grog Blend. With its exceptional taste and warm, inviting aroma, the Verena Street, Mississippi Grog beat out all of the competition for the best yet affordable coffee. This brew was robust and rich without being too overpowering or lacking in flavor. The aroma may not be to your liking because your mind believes it will be fruity or weak, but you will be delighted with the taste. What is the highest rated coffee? Jamaican Blue Mountain. This coffee is grown on top of the Jamaican Blue Mountain. It is one of the world's most expensive coffees, and the amount of the Blue Mountain coffee bean produced each year is limited. A powerful caffeine kick and a beautiful bold taste make this a popular Caribbean delicacy that is sometimes exported to Japan in mass quantities. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.